Hey there, Ryan again with Trail Now. This video is a continuation of a series that we put together discussing the legal obstacles to rail banking. So there are essentially three different obstacles to rail banking, and we covered the first two already. In this last video, we're going to be talking about the approval required from the Surface Transportation Board in order to abandon the rail line and move forward with the rail banking process. So rail banking takes place during the rail corridor abandonment process, and that needs to be approved by the Surface Transportation Board. Now, advocates for the commuter train will say that this is a long and contentious process that can take several years. However, that's not true. The simple solution here to the third obstacle to rail banking is to just defer to the experts. Now, I don't know much about the railroad abandonment process, but the people over at the Woodside Consulting Group, they do. In a memo from October 2005 discussing the potential abandonment of the Santa Cruz branch, they concluded that there is essentially no chance that the Surface Transportation Board would deny an application for abandonment. Now, that conclusion was made before the cement plant closed in January 2010, which represented 90% of the freight. After the cement plant closure, Sierra West Valuation went on to conclude that there is no doubt that abandonment would be approved. So, based on the opinion of these two experts, it doesn't take a tremendous leap of faith to conclude that the likelihood for abandonment is very high. So an important point to be made here is only the common carrier, the railroad, they're the only ones that can technically abandon the rail line. Train advocates have stated that they're not interested in a buyout, and at this point, why would they? While freight is not profitable, passenger rail, that's another story. Again, the operator is a for-profit business interested in making money with the railroad. In June of 2015, the current railroad operator submitted a proposal to provide passenger service along the corridor. Clearly, running freight along the line is not economically viable, but a passenger line, and especially one where the tickets are 80 to 90% subsidized by the taxpayers, that's worth sticking around for. Folks, given the population and density of Santa Cruz County, a commuter line here makes zero sense. What we need is we need a trail, and we need it now. Thanks again for watching. If you haven't already, please follow us on Facebook, and for more videos and additional information, go to our website, trailnow.org.